वेलकम बैक वसीम जी के क्विज। आज का हमारा लेक्चर नंबर 5 रहने वाला है कंप्यूटर के रिलेटेड। जो हमने 1000 प्लस जो MCQs कंप्यूटर के रिलेटेड डिस्कस करने थे, उसका आज 151 से क्वेश्चन नंबर से स्टार्ट करेंगे, 200 तक करेंगे और 5वां लेक्चर रहने वाला है। इससे पहले अगर आपने नहीं देखे तो इंपॉर्टेंट मैंने क्वेश्चन रखे हैं, पूरे 1000 जो MCQs हैं। तो पहले मैंने प्ले लिस्ट बना दी है, वहाँ से आप देख सकते हैं। ज़्यादा आपका टाइम नहीं लेंगे। ये पहले मैं इसलिए बता रहा हूँ कि ताकि वीडियो के बीच में जो है, लेक्चर के बीच में कोई भी बात आपसे ना की जाए। बस आपने क्वेश्चन का आंसर करते रहना और कोशिश करते रहा करें कि आपने नोटबुक साथ पास में रखें और खुद से सॉल्व करें, और लास्ट में अपना स्कोर कार्ड ज़रूर शेयर कर दिया कि आपने खुद से जो है वो कितने अटैम्प्ट किए। तो करते हैं स्टार्ट। पहला क्वेश्चन नंबर है हमारा, क्वेश्चन नंबर 151 है कि व्हाट शुड डू टू हाईलाइट ए वर्ड, योर पोजिशन द कर्सर नेक्स्ट टू द वर्ड एंड देन डैश। So correct option is option B, drag mouse while holding button down. Question number 152. A round floppy piece of plastic which is used for storing information. This is kept under hard square cover for protection. So correct option is option C, floppy disk. Question number 153. What is the full form of ROM? Correct option is option D, read only memory. Question number 154. Contents of dash gets erased when computer is turned off. So correct option is option D, memory. Question number 155. All the media given below can read and write except. So correct option is option D, CD-ROMs. Question number 156. Dash is a small picture on screen that depicts program, file or folder. Correct option is option B, icon. Question number 157. Computer collects data. That means it allows user to dash data. So correct option is option D, input data. Question number 158. Device which takes a picture and converts it into computerized image. So correct option is option A, scanner. Question number 159. Non-volatile memory. So correct option is option C, can keep contents without the supply of electricity. Question number 160. Transformation of input into output is performed by dash. So correct option is option D, input output unit. Question number 161. Files deleted from the hard disk are sent to the dash. So correct option is option B, recycle bin. Question number 162. The dash tells the computer how to use its components. So correct option is option D, operating system. Question number 163. A dash is a program that makes the computer easier to use. So correct option is option B, utility. Question number 164. When sending an email, the dashed lines describe the contents of the message. So correct option is option B, subject. So question number 165. Password enable users to dash. So correct option is option C, retain confidently of files. So question number 166. Which of these is a volatile memory in a computer system? So correct option is option C, RAM. Question number 167. Which of the following memory is used for storing software that does not need updates? So correct option is option B, ROM. Question number 168. Workbook is computer application is basically related to. So correct option is option A, MS Excel. Question number 169. The Windows sound file has the extension. So correct option is option C, .wav. Question number 170. Which of the following statement is correct about RAM and ROM? So correct statement is option B. RAM is a volatile memory while ROM is a non-volatile memory. Is a correct statement. Option B is the right answer. Question number 171. The blinking symbol on the computer screen is called the. So correct option is option D, cursor. Question number 172. What is the difference between a file and a folder in a Windows computer? So correct option is option D. A file is a unit of data while a folder can contain multiple files. So question number 173. A device operating at the physical layer is called a. So correct option is option C, repeater. Question number 174. What is the term of unsolicited email? So correct option is option D, spam. So question number 175. To access properties of an object, the mouse technique to use is dash. So correct option is option B, right clicking. Question number 176. Soft copy is the intangible output. So then what is hard copy? So correct option is option C, the printed output. Question number 177. The basic building block of a database that contains related record is. So correct option is option C, table. Question number 178. Which of the following input devices converts bitmap images of characters to equivalent SC codes, ASCII codes? So correct option is option C, OCR. So question number 179. A region of computer memory where frequently accessed data can be stored for rapid access is called. So correct option is option A, cache. So question number 180. To make the number pad act as directional arrows, you press the dash key. So correct option is option C, num lock. So question number 181. The system BIOS हो गया कि basic input output system and ROM chips are called. So correct option is option A, firmware. Question number 182. The dash of the CPU manages the off-on switches inside the CPU. So correct option is option D, control unit. Question number 183. If you get frequent general protection fault, this could indicate. So correct option is option C, poor quality of memory chips. So question number 184. Dash error code identify a floppy drive problem. So correct option is option D, 601 error code. Question number 185. During boot up the memory test. So correct option is option B, checks the verifies that contiguous memory is installed. So question number 186. What is the default font size of a new Word document based on normal template? So correct option is option D, 12 pt. Question number 187. Which of the following best represents computer hardware? So the correct option is option D, the computer and all the devices connect to it that are used to input and output data. Question number 188. Which computer system component is used for first term data storage? So correct option is option D, RAM. Question number 189. Which type of RAM is normally the fastest? So correct option is option C, SRAM. Question number 190. What memory is located about the first 1024K of memory? So correct option is option A, extend. Question number 191. CPU contains. So correct option is option D, all of the above. Arithmetic unit, logical unit and control unit. Question number 192. On August 23, 2008, an accounting clerk prepaid an invoice dated August 31st, 2008. Which control can check this? So correct option is option C, range check. So question number 193. The elements of computer's processing system are. तो ऑल ऑफ दी अबव इसका आंसर आएगा ए बी सी डी जो है वो सब होंगे. हार्डवेयर प्रोग्राम एंड पीपल, हार्डवेयर सॉफ्टवेयर और इन्फॉर्मेशन एंड पीपल, हार्डवेयर डाटा यूजर एंड प्रोसीजर, ऑल ऑफ दी अबव. ये ऑल ऑफ दी अबव ऑप्शन डी इसका राइट आंसर रहेगा. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 194. द डाटा फ्लो डायग्राम इज फॉर एनालाइजिंग. So correct option is option C, requirements of user. Question number 195. The dash determines how many bits of data can be sent along a given bus at one time. So correct option is option A, bus width. Question number 196. Using antivirus software is. So correct option is option D, all of the above. Question number 197. An online transaction is. So correct option is option C, transaction done via internet. Question number 198. A computer is a dash device. So correct option is option C, electronic device. Question number 199. Steganography is. So correct option is option B, hiding the data to make it necessarily invisible and not easily detectable. Question number 200. Library management software is for. तो ये बोथ रहेंगी ए और बी. ऑप्शन जो है वो सी इज है करेक्ट ऑप्शन क्वेश्चन नंबर 200 का. सो इसी के साथ हमारा लेक्चर भी यहीं पर खत्म होता है. 5वां लेक्चर जो हमारा कंप्लीट हुआ है. और आई होप कि आपने भी साथ साथ में अटेम्प्ट किए होंगे, क्वेश्चन किए होंगे. तो आपने नोट पैड पर जो है वो आपने जो है क्वेश्चन का आंसर किया होगा कि कितने आपने खुद से किए हैं. तो वो आप कमेंट में मुझे ज़रूर बता दीजिएगा. और बाकी आपने अगर पहले लेक्चर नहीं देखे तो प्लेलिस्ट बनाइए, वहाँ से देख सकते हैं. तो आपका टाइम ज़्यादा नहीं लेंगे. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में.